Hello and welcome you all. Today in this video we are going to do some more questions based on our chapter 6 lines and angles. Students, our first question for today is find the value of x in the following figure. So according to this given figure, first we will consider triangle ABC, in which by applying angle sum property of a triangle we can say that angle CAB plus angle ABC plus angle BCA equal to 180 degree. So from here 34 degree plus 30 degree plus angle ABC will be equal to 180 degree, and therefore student, the value of angle ABC will be equal to 180 degree minus 34 degree plus 30 degree, which is equal to 64 degree. Therefore angle ABC will be equal to 180 degree minus 64 degree, and this is equal to 116 degree. And now angle ABC plus angle ABD will be equal to 180 degree by linear pair. So from here the value of angle ABD will be equal to 180 degree minus 116 degree, which is equal to 64 degree. And now this angle X will be our exterior angle of triangle EBD, and we know that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles of a triangle. So from here angle CED will be equal to angle EBD plus angle EDB. Therefore X is equal to 64 degree plus 45 degree, which is equal to 109 degree. And now our second question for today is, in the given figure AB is parallel to CD, then find the value of X. So according to this figure, I have denoted angle BEF is equal to angle 1 and angle DEF is equal to angle 2. Therefore student, X is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. And now to find the value of X, first we will do construction in which we will draw a line EF which is parallel to AB, where B is transversal. So from here we can say that angle 1 plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree, which is equal to 60 degree. And now since EF is parallel to AB and in this question AB is parallel to CD, so therefore we can say that EF is also parallel to CD, where DE is transversal. And now if DE is transversal, then we can say that angle 2 plus 140 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle 2 will be equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree, which is equal to 40 degree. And now the value of X will be equal to angle 1 plus angle 2, which is equal to 60 degree plus 40 degree, and this is equal to 100 degree. And now our third question for today is, in the given figure X is to Y will be equal to 3:2 and Y plus Z will be equal to 100, and AB is parallel to CD, and we have to find the value of A. So according to this figure we can say that P plus Y plus Z will be equal to 180 degree by linear pair, and from here the value of Y plus Z is equal to 100 degree, which is given in our question. So from here P plus 100 degree will be equal to 180 degree. Therefore the value of angle P will be equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree, which is equal to 80 degree. And now we will consider triangle EFG, in which by applying angle sum property of triangle we can say that X plus Y plus angle F will be equal to 180 degree, and according to our question the ratio of X is to Y is 3:2. So student, let the ratio be K. Therefore the value of X will be equal to 3K and the value of Y will be equal to 2K. So from here 3K plus 2K plus 90 degree will be equal to 180 degree, and from here 3K plus 2K will be equal to 5K plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. Therefore 5K will be equal to 90 degree and K is equal to 18 degree. Therefore student, the value of X will be equal to 3K, which is 3 into 18, and this is equal to 54 degree, and the value of angle Y will be equal to 2K, which is equal to 2 into 18 degree, and this is equal to 36 degree. And now since AB is parallel to CD, where EG is transversal, so angle BEG will be equal to angle CGE by alternate angles. They are equal. Therefore student, A plus X will be equal to P. So from here value of A will be equal to P minus X, and P is equal to 80 degree. Therefore 80 degree minus 54 degree will be equal to 26 degree. Therefore student, the value of A will be equal to 26 degree. And now practice this question, mention on your screen and submit me the solution. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.